When I first turned 18, I was so excited because I could finally open an investment account. After years of planning, I was basically able to order out every day. Cooking is a waste of time. Burn bridges with people. If you aren't friends, then you don't need them. Forget the names of others. It's the least valuable asset everyone has. Don't plan out your days the night before. Just wing everything. Don't be willing to learn more about finance. You'll learn it over time. Don't be coachable. If you learned it, you know it already. Spend more than you make. Life's too short. Don't take any risk. It might not even work out. Take everything you hear online as a fact. They're probably right. Don't track your expenses. It's a waste of time. Don't be willing to wait years to work for your dream. Don't know how much you need to make every month to pay for bills, groceries, and necessities. That number changes every month. Don't create an emergency fund that could hold you down for at least 6 months. Find security in your employer. Don't pay off your credit cards. That's the point of credit. Think of credit as a red flag and stay away from it. It doesn't have any pros. Prioritize wants over needs. Life is about living it. Don't set plans and goals for your future. If you remember it, you'll get there. Don't read books. It's boring. Don't watch videos on how to make extra cash. Auto pay all your payments. That's why the option is there. Don't carry cash. Everything is digital. Don't invest any of your money. It's difficult and it's risky. Keep all of your money in the bank. That's what the rich do, right? Only check your bank account when you get paid. Those are the best days. Hang out with people who would get upset if you said no to going out. Those are your true friends. Get with a spouse who needs money to be spent on in order to feel loved. Avoid living with others and splitting rent. It's weird. Avoid smart investments and only look for quick cash. It's time to get rich tomorrow. Find side hustles with the hopes of being rich tomorrow. That's the point of them. Be replaceable. There's too many people in this world to be irreplaceable. Don't network. If you can't be best friends, it's not worth the conversation. Don't like this video.